And action! Cut! Oh, hi! I'm the director of this production, as you can see by my director chair. We got this for $4 at a flea store. A flea store? Flea market.
Okay, we're gonna take you through a tour of our upstairs. We did a video like this a couple months ago, and there's more stuff done now, so hopefully it's a little prettier.
And I'll put a link for the video that you should go check out before because you see the downstairs. Okay, so this bed looks like a hotel bed.
Let me show what it looks like a little bit. So it's like a fabric-y. Where'd you get it at?
Amazon.
Amazon. Pillows?
Free.
Free?
The pillow was the inspiration for this whole design. If you didn't notice though.
And the color of the ceiling.
The ceiling is pink.
So what would you describe the style of this room?
I tried to make it like more spa-like and just more of only a few colors, not like more lighter colors. So you can see the walls are white. A lot of the finishes are like cream, like this rug. This rug was free. Beaky.
Oh, we were trying to do this room in 24 hours, which was pretty successful. We got a bunch of work done in a short period of time, but then we finished it over kind of the next week with the painting and the sanding. We did a lot of drywall work on this area up here because we thought this is our little makeshift Christmas tree this year. But you can see on the ground where there was an original wall, and we thought this would be a fireplace, but unfortunately it wasn't. It was just a chimney. We repointed it. We made it look pretty. We had to add a lot of drywall patching, and so this probably took the bulk of the time. We also added the trim work on the walls. There's a lot of cool little features. Anna was doing a ton with these. There's two Ethan Allen dressers, and they're kind of matching across the room. And we painted them. She kind of had to fit them into place, so we made like a long countertop that could be a working desk one day.
Nice. What's your favorite part about this room?
I actually really do like this oil painting. So this I found at Goodwill, and I think I paid like $23 for it. It's on canvas with the frame and everything. I thought that was a really good price. It does have an artist name on it, but they're from like California, and I looked at it to see if it was worth anything. It's not, but it's really pretty to find an actual painting like that. Rated.
I'll tell you about a few of my favorite parts of this room, the decoration wise. So yeah, this rug was free. On the side of the road. So fluffy, our cats love it. These, we actually purchased these nightstands probably a year ago because I just had a vision for them. And they're like I forget what this is called, laminate? I don't know. They're super like high end, and I could tell.
We got them at the Restore.
Yes, but I love these. And then we also thrifted these, and then I hung them with plant hangers on the wall. These were just Amazon, but I was trying to find a cheap way to hang them, and this was the cheapest way to do it. So I did that. And this was the most recent purchase. So we try to put a full-length mirror in each room. This is gonna be a midterm rental, so we keep that in mind when we're designing, because everybody loves a full-length mirror. And this was a CB2 mirror that I painted black. I'll show I went through a lot of iterations, is that the right word? Variations.
Mess ups.
Of painting this. It looked really bad, but the black I like, it's fine. So it's CB2, it was 40 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. I was very proud of my find. I painted this cute little jellyfish a long time ago.
Let's zoom in on that.
Look at that, without a pen. We got these horses at the thrift store. I like these, they're bookends. Pretty. These curtains, they're on a curtain track. See how we trimmed that out to make it more hidden? I'm actually not done with them. You can see I just folded them over. I have to like hem them all, and I have to configure some of the hangers. But these were all from my grandma's house, and they like pull really easy, which is nice. They have these little pom-poms on them. So it's just a little ode to my grandma, which I like. This chessboard Josiah found at a thrift store. Pretty.
You really like the trash can that we just found.
Oh yeah, look at this trash can.
Hold that puppy up.
Look at that, matches the ceiling perfect. Not perfect, but cute vibe. Okay, and there's a TV in every room, well, the bedrooms, for the midterm rental because people enjoy that. As you can see, we are downstairs in the dining room. We completed this room a bunch of months ago, and I have a little project to share. A company called Hemela gifted us a wall battery sconce. As you can see, these are not cute. So when I did the dining room, I didn't have a budget for the wall sconce, but I always envisioned something here. They're too small, and then Josiah found these lampshades, and I tried to paint them, and when you turn them on, they're very ugly. So it's hideous, it needs to be replaced, and then also, this is the worst part, this huge cord. Hemela has this awesome battery-powered wall sconce that I'm going to install. It's super modern, it's gonna be pretty, so let's do it. So I'm first gonna take off these lights. Let's open up the new one. Easy user manual, the pretty globe, the wall sconce part, and it comes with the light bulb. Screws, the bottom part. There's a battery that was in the back of this. It's with a magnet. Show it. And you just pull it out first and you start by charging that. I'm going to put this on the wall, make sure it's level, and that'll tell me where I need to drill my holes. Perfect, and then this just hangs on it. The last thing I gotta do is put the cover on. So pretty! I love it. So here they are. I think they look really good. And I love the black with the black frame. A feature I really like is there's a button to turn it on and off at the top. A lot of these come with remotes, which I don't love because this is a rental property and people are gonna lose the remote. So it's just one more thing to remember. So the button is super nice. And then let me show you at night. So it's getting a little dark, it's kind of dusky right now. These are perfect. They have a good glow. And yeah, I think they look really good. So let's go back upstairs for the rest of the tour.
Can I come with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you were here last, this was just framed in. Now there's walls. This is the soon-to-be bathroom. This is one of the last rooms. Well, this is the last room in the house to be completed. This door, I will put a reel of this door because it's very special. This door was in my grandma's house and we took it from her house and put it in our bathroom door. It's really pretty. Josiah was talking about it in the last video, so go watch that to get the details. And I'll put a design for this room, what it's gonna be looking like once it's done. There's a bathtub along the back wall. We're using this old vanity that was in this house. It's gonna be super cute. And we have this light, which I love. It'll be above the vanity.
And skylight.
True, got the skylight. Ooh, let me show you the mirror. I finally got the mirror for this room. Look how cool it is. Bisky, no! Oh, weird. What's going on in here?
Just petting my kitty cat.
Okay.
This brick is pretty much the same as before, but this is probably one of the cool features of the room. This built-in headboard LED strip light, which I think is really cool. The bed has a lot of cool linens from Anna's grandmother's house, which I think is neat. This chair is an old Lazy Boy recliner. Not sure how old it is though, but the tag looks pretty old. And it's probably one of those chairs that had like the plastic protectors on it. And it's like, it's a little recliner, but the recliner part doesn't work as well, but very good condition. We got this for $11 at Savers. Moving on to the floor looks a little weird. We got some stacks of rugs just because we needed to save some space in our house. And under the bed there's a bunch of rugs, but I won't show you those. So it's kind of a little bit of a storage room still. Eventually this dresser won't be here. We're gonna have a smaller dresser right underneath the TV. This little cabinet's gonna be somewhere else. We're probably not gonna leave these litter boxes for the midterm rental.
Gross.
But some of the cool features, because we built this wall right here and we framed it out and drywalled it, we were able to measure and put the sconces up. We put the outlet for the TV actually behind the TV, so there's no cord for this one, which is nice. And there's plenty of outlets In the bed, like we put some USB-C outlets just because it's a cool thing to do.
So yeah, this room is not done, obviously. And we have this mirror that I made, and it's not done either. I'm gonna paint some of it, but I made it for free with all free materials. We had this mirror, it came with the house, it's on the back of the door. This is actually leftover hardwood floors that I used. That was some scrap wood, and then I'm gonna like leave some of the wood grain wood and then paint some of it. But this will probably be over here. Like, envision it leaning up against this wall next to the chair. Envision a pretty mid-century dresser right here, and it's gonna be beautiful, and there'll be way less clutter. There'll be nothing here. This is just clutter in our storage. So the room's not totally done, but it's close to done, and it's very pretty. Oh, you messed up bed. They can't know we live here. I like this little spot. This was my grandma's mirror that I think is really pretty. I like to have fresh flowers. These are not normally here, but they were from a wedding, and they're still slightly alive, but I think they're really pretty. Same curtains from my grandma, but now heading to the closet. We've got, this was not here before. We have our washer dryer right here, and then hanging space. This is all Josiah's clothes. It's actually a decent amount of hanging space, I'd say. Good enough for a traveling nurse. And it's nice to have their laundry upstairs instead of having to go all the way to the basement. This was a labor of love, just all the drywall and framing, and this room took us forever. There's just a lot going on. There was a wall here that we took out. It was load bearing, it held the ceiling up. So we put in all the right structural stuff, 4x4s, 2x10s. So it's really good. But it's a lot of work.
And insulation in the ceiling. This room was pretty cold before.
Yeah, this room was a mess. Lastly, this bathroom. Oh, look who it is! This bathroom, I don't think it was done the last time, but it was like close to being done. Obviously it's done, super pretty. It's very nice to have a bathroom right off the bedroom. We've never really had that before. So we're gonna have, each bedroom will have their own bathroom. Here we got this thrifted marble vanity with our antique faucets. That one already broke. We have yet to fix it, so we only have cold water right now, and it's very cold. But I will say, it's really cleared up my skin to wash your face with cold water. We have this cool mirror. It's great for makeup, so you just press this for the light. And then this is a defogger, so when you're showering, it'll leave a little square that doesn't fog up, which is great. That's super nice. Like these lights here, it's kind of a mid-century vibe. This is the best thing in the world. This is our bidet. I seriously love it. It has a heated seat, which is amazing. Warm water, warm fan. It's just wonderful.
All the functions.
All the functions. True.
Anything your tush could ever want.
This shower is quite lovely and very functional. Our one downstairs, we didn't put a door on it because the window was in the way, and that one was annoying because the water splashes out. But this one has a door. We're so fancy. And it has a really pretty fixture. You can go show them in there.
Yeah, the tiling just took forever because look how little, I don't know the size of it, but it's probably what, 4 inches, 5 inches by 3.
It's marble.
Yep.
Let me turn this on.
We got a little niche, 2 of them.
To get a better vibe. The last thing I really like about this bathroom is the hardwood floors, which people that come in here, they're like, oh my gosh, hardwoods, what? But we sealed them with this waterproof membrane. It's like a breathable one. And then we did the linseed oil on both sides of the hardwoods. And then, so that seals and everything. It's like waterproof. And then we laid them, and then we did a boat varnish on top, like a varnish you use on boats. So it's like totally waterproof, will be good forever. But I just like the look of hardwoods in here. Okay, so that's the house. Like we said, we have just the bathroom to finish. And we have to refinish all the hardwoods, but it like visually is done mostly.
And had mini splits.
But yeah, those don't matter for the like, you know, the video. Because those are more for function. You can't see function in a video. It took us, it's gonna take us like 3 years to finish this house.
We closed on the house in June of 2021. It is now December of 2023.
Yep. So we did everything ourselves except for some plumbing, some electrical, the roof. I think that's it. So that's a lot of work.
Any words? Just, the video's about to end, so just, you're gonna have to find something else in life to make you happy.